guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got this 4th of July makeup look. Don't mind the background and my extremely dry skin. I got a pretty bad sunburn on a little 4-wheeling trip that I went on with DareG Beauty and her boyfriend, which is my boyfriend's twin. Not sure if you guys knew that, but I will link that video down below if you want to go check it out. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So first, I'm going to be taking this red shade in the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to focus this on the inner half of my crease. Right now I'm just packing the color on and then I'm going to blend. Now I'm going to blend it out using a clean blending brush. Then I'm going to be taking this blue shade and I'm going to be focusing this on the outer half of my eye. Then I'm going to be creating a cut crease with concealer. Sorry in advance if I'm not very in frame for this. Then I'm going to set this with this white eyeshadow in the palette. Then I'm going to trace a line on that cut crease. Again, sorry in advance if I'm not in frame. Now I'm going to quickly draw a wing. Now I'm going to quickly do the other half of camera, pop on some lashes, and do my base, and I'll be right back. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking the two same little brushes that I used before, and I'm going to be putting blue on the inner half and red on the outer half. Now I'm going to take Stila's Glitter and Glow Liquid Shadow in Diamond Dust, and I'm going to put this on my inner corner. So real quick off of camera, I just lined my waterline with NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and put on some Buxom's Big T's Plumping Mascara. Now I'm going to spray my face with Mario Badescu's facial spray. Then I'm going to take Physicians Formula Butter highlighter in Pearl and highlight my face with it. So I just forgot blush, but I'm going to be taking a little bit of Extraordinary. Now for lips, I'm going to be taking Wet n Wild's Gel Lip Liner in Red the Scene. Then I'm going to set my face with some MAC Fix Plus, and we are done. So that is all that I have for you guys today on this 4th of July makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. I really love how it came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye guys. So now I'm going to take my NYX white eyeliner and I'm going to trace over, creating